So in this video, I will gonna guide you how you can get started on autonomous Cloudways. Now, first of all, let's get a preview of what Cloudways is and what are its benefits. So Cloudways Autonomous offers auto-scaling technology that allows WordPress website to handle increased traffic without experiencing any kind of performance issues. This is achieved by opening up additional resources like cash register in a busy store to meet that particular specific demand. Now this ensures optimal performance and prevent any kind of loss in sales or any crashing at the same time. Traditionally, autoscaling has been complex and expensive, requiring high level tech teams and all of that complex stuff. But Cloudways Autonomous make this technology accessible and affordable for small to medium sized businesses, eliminating the need for extensive technical expertise and excessive cost. Now, Cloudways Autonomous excels in speed and handles all kind of high volume transaction effectively, making it a great choice for online shops and e-commerce website. One of the major advantages of Cloudways is its excellent customer support with a 24/7 availability and an industry-leading net promoter score of 73. Users can rely on prompt assistance and technical support whenever they encounter any kind of issues. Now let's talk about the plans. Now, unlike any other web hosting platform, Cloudways offers transparent and predictable pricing based on the number of WordPress sites you need, starting at the $35 per month, which is very affordable for a medium-sized company. Now this pricing structure allows users to easily budget and plan their expenses without any hidden cost or confusing percentage based calculation like other web hostings. Now setting up Cloudways Autonomous is a straightforward process. You can simply select your desired plan, region and application type through a user-friendly interface. The installation is quick and typically takes only a few minutes, resulting in an instant access to the application. So at the end, Cloudway Autonomous provides a reliable solution for handling sudden traffic spikes and ensuring smooth website performance. It offers a hands-off and user-friendly experience, taking the complexity and headaches out of the auto-scaling setup, allowing users to focus on their business sales and celebrate successful rollouts without worrying about technical issues.